My name is Akhil Maheshwari and I am the Vice Chairman of Anu Group. Now we are running in the 50th year. It's a golden jubilee year.
Congratulations, sir. That's
Yeah.
your golden. So celebrations on the card this year.
Yeah, it's going on. Thank you very much. So basically we are into carbide tool manufacturing for cold forging industry, wire drawing, tube drawing, auto components and auto ancillaries. And my father started this company. He's the chairman of the group. We are two brothers. Myself, I am the elder one. I am the vice chairman of the company. I have done engineering from BITS Pilani. And my younger brother is the managing director, Mr. Akhil Maheshwari. It's a long journey. Mainly now and about 10 years back, we entered into a joint venture with a Spanish company. And so now almost 60% of the products are exported to Europe.
So that's brilliant. I understand that you are one of the few companies in India who completely believe in getting collaborations from the outer companies, Spain to be very particular, but completely believe in the Make in India and dream of.
That's what is happening around the world now. Most of the European American companies are. Earlier they were going to China, now they are shifting to India.
So you do believe this is the golden area of manufacturing?
Yeah. Make in India and sell across the world.
That's
what we are doing.
That's beautiful.
And we have good team here, good people, skilled people, and good machinery manufacturers. So we can,
So what is your motivation to participate in Forgetech? I understand you are one of the oldest customers and participants into this
we
trade.
joined this Forgetech, basically to promote our company, because we've been supplying to these forging industries, and so it motivated us to, it's a good platform to let people know you from here, and forging is happening throughout India, so it's a good platform to launch your product, you get more business, networking, so everything, it helps.
How would you give it, like if you have to give a motivation to the new Indian MSME segment? People have the aspiration to grow but are very apprehensive, very afraid of taking the leap of faith, and I believe you have been participating into international level exhibitions, number ones in India and abroad, B2B. So what is your message to the MSME and the new innovators that are entering this domain today?
This thing is that work with full focus, full faith in your product. And these kind of platforms are very good for your exposure. International maybe sometimes becomes very expensive, but at least start with the Indian platform, Indian exhibitions. They are very good, very helpful, and the companies who are visiting are very focused. And I would say it is a result-oriented exhibition. These kind of exhibitions. So for MSMEs with a limited budget, start with the Indian exhibitions. It helps finally. Your name gets spread.
People get to know.
Yeah, people get to know, and it's a wonderful networking. You yourself get to learn so many things, new technology. Many companies are exhibiting here. I think it's very good to participate.
So you've been into this industry for so long. What kind of development or new age development we could say that you've seen over the years, where you feel that okay, now India is changing, your forging industry is in for a change and they're ready to accept new entrants, new technology?
India has gone global now, and moreover ease of working now, it's very much there. Earlier people were scared, put up say labor issues, other issues, but now I would say with the new government, these are things are very, so I would suggest India is a very good place to invest and work. You got good team, good people, good culture. And people want to work here. They don't want to have 4 days in a week working. They want to work 6 days and 7 days.
Yeah, because they're happy in their environment.
Yeah, it's good. So we are very happy with the Indian atmosphere.
So coming to your one statement about investment, how do you feel this is probably the right time for foreign investors to actually invest in India, because India is on a growth trajectory? So your inputs on that, please, if you can help us with.
I would say India is one of the safest place also. You see around the world, wars going on. Absolutely. I would say this is one of the safest place, climate-wise, help from the government, and then there is a huge demand. I think it's the right place to work.
Now that today we are here into the forging industry exhibition, I'm seeing everyone is focused on a single path. So then how do you believe manufacturing is good when you are jack of all trades or master of one? Or should you balance the whole thing equally?
I would say balance all the things. But
Okay.
any trade or any activity of the life, focus has to be there. Without proper focus, the focus has to be there. So growing country, India, demand is growing. So I would say people, youngsters and MSMEs, new people coming up, just focus on your product, have confidence on your product. We have got very good demand in India and people are buying from India and export is going up.
Be focused, be responsible, and learn more is what comes from Mr. Maheshwari celebrating his golden jubilee year in Anu Extrusion. This is Bharti Chandra signing off. Thank you.